Hey everybody, Ryan Young here doing a little science experiment for Fundamentals of Physics online class at Full Sail University. The title of the experiment that we're going to be doing today is called the collapsing can. It deals with atmospheric pressure and different pressures and how they react to each other when they're in extreme difference of each other. It's really fun, it's really easy to do. You only need a couple materials so you can do it at home. Just make sure you have some adult supervision because there are some hot things involved. I'm going to go ahead and go through the process and let you know how to do it step by step, and then at the end I'll explain exactly how it works scientifically. Alright, so all you need for the materials is just a pot of cold water. The colder the better. I put some ice cubes in there for good measure just a couple seconds ago. Regular stovetop Bunsen burner. I have it already set at high, medium high. Star of the show, Dr. Pepper can right there. Any sort of soda can will do. You're supposed to have tongs, but I'm improvising with forks, but it's okay. I practiced a few times. It's pretty much the same thing. And then, of course, just a tablespoon measurement. Okay, so what you're going to do is go ahead and take a tablespoon warm tap water. And put it in the can. Set it right on top of the stove there. And the goal now is just basically to get that water to boil. And it only takes about a minute until it starts to boil. You'll know it started to boil when the vapors or steam starts to come out at the top. As you can see, the burner actually looks purple in the video. It's pretty cool. Don't know exactly why it does that, but maybe that'll be a topic for another experiment some other time. You can already hear the water starting to boil, so probably... Oh, and then there's a little bit of water vapor coming out. So once it starts to boil, you want to count to about 20 or 30 in your head. Give it some time to get really going. Got lots of steam coming out now. So then you're going to go ahead and grab the can with the tongs, upside down, in the cold water. That was a good one. The can is immediately cooled off. Tested it before. You'll notice it's completely collapsed. It's filled with water too. I'll explain that in a second. Anyway, pretty neat, huh? So basically why that happens is when you boil water inside of a can like that, it creates steam or water vapor inside of the can. When it starts to build up after you let it boil for a few seconds, as we did, it pushes the air out of the mouth of the can. Once it gets filled with steam, when you turn it over into a cool pot of water like that, it instantly condenses the water vapors inside of the can, turning it back into liquid water. When that happens, it creates a partial vacuum inside of the can. That when the atmospheric pressure is greater on the outside than it is on the inside, it collapses. So basically, that's it. Try it at home. It's pretty cool in front of your kids. And anyway, have a good day. Thanks for watching.